Week we're coming at you with two razors. I want to compare the entry-level Supply SE and the Leaf Twig. They're both single edge. They are both pretty inexpensive in my opinion and extremely similar, ironically. I do not know which one I prefer. We're going to learn that together. I have shaved with the Supply SE for about 6 months, maybe a little less, a little longer, off and on. And I've been shaving with this for about 3 months, off and on, probably about straight for 2 months. Both coming in at $59. I think that's pretty realistic for an entry-level razor. Also, one of the main things is they're both not super close. I reviewed each one, and that was my complaint. If you want to watch those videos, I'll link them below. Even though they're not that close, I do think that can be a good thing because they're extremely forgiving and they're very, very easy to shave with. So that's something that actually goes in both their favor. That's why I think I do not know which one I quite prefer. Caveat, this does have its twin brother, and it's a Thorn. Reviewed that one as well, link in the description below, and it's a little closer. It is, but I wanted to review these two because I feel like they're extremely similar. Before I shave with them, I will say that I do love the style on both. I feel like they're very different in that regard. One is the Supply is sleek, modern, very cool. Always loved Supply style. And Leaf, which I didn't think I was gonna love, but I actually do. But it has a little more of a vintage feel, right? You know, kind of Art Deco style, and I like that too. I did not think I was going to, but I extremely do like them. So whatever you're going for, I know style's not always really important with shaving. For me, it is style first, baby. Both have great build quality. I don't think you have to worry about them not lasting. I feel like you're gonna have them for a very long time. They are also both very easy to clean. Cleanliness is very important here. And so I think being able to take them apart, especially the Supply razor, and getting in there and cleaning it up with a Q-tip and a hydrogen peroxide, I think that's very important. Also, the Leaf, super easy, just unscrew it and you can clean the ins and outs of it. I think I mentioned in both reviews, the hair doesn't really clog in the Supply SE, and hair definitely doesn't clog in the Leaf. That is fantastic in regards to Leaf. So we'll see which one does better in this video. Supply is an injector razor, so you can go buy injector blades. No, you're not beholden to Supply's blades. You can buy other blades for it, Schick, Feather, anything you like. Leaf has a double edge that you break in half. So you might get a little more from the blades on the Leaf. Speaking of which, I am using a Leaf blade and I'm using a Supply blade. Figured that'd be the most fair. I do like Feather, and I will break those in half and put them in the Leaf. But I like Supply's blades. I've not used any other injector blades and I think they're great. And I do like Leaf's blades as well. They're a good double, well, not double edge, but they're a good blade as well. So I haven't had any complaints with blades from either company. Probably should test out some more though. All right, let's get shaving. But before I do that, I do want to mention my website. I don't really have sponsors and don't make a lot of money on this channel, but I like keeping it going and it is a passion for me. So to keep it going, I do sell products, and this is one of them. It's a little notebook. So for you Luddites out there, I feel like making notes in a notebook is fantastic. It's cool. I also like the style of this. Style first, stay inspired. I think it'd be really cool in your pocket, chilling, have a pen on you, you get inspired, you want to write down something, you write it down in one of these notebooks, and you know, you can think of the fashionable father when you do so. All right, I guess we should get shaving, right? All right, right now I'm putting on a pre-shave oil. It's Shave Secret. I actually think it's more important than a shave soap. I've skipped oil in the past and I've had a bad shave. Not bad, but just not as good. I feel like you're more prone to nicks and cuts without an oil. I'm working on my lather, boys. I'm working on it. I have a lot of hair on my face this week. This is 2 weeks. 2 weeks. And I do think it's easier to shave with longer hair. I'll say that. Oh, another thing. I was called out. And you know what? I've watched other shave videos, not a lot. Just watch my competition, right? Good guys out there. Really good guys in this world, in this community. What is about them is they would do short strokes, and I never really put two and two together until someone told me in my comments. They're like, dude, your strokes are super long. And I think I had taught myself that I wanted to hit the blade on my skin just once. That's why I did long strokes. And they're also like, that's why you're getting cuts. I believe they are right. And other shave guys, they do shorter strokes than I do. And I never put two and two together. Isn't that crazy? Always learn something. Okay, starting with the leaf blade. And we're gonna do a little shorter this time. Just super comfortable, super easy. That's the thing, the leaf is very intuitive. Let's do the other half with the Supply Single Edge SE. Very even right now. It's hard to say. These are both fantastic razors. The ridges right there, they're awesome. The thing is though, it's hard to tell if the blade's hitting your skin. Does that make sense? What up, cutie?
Can I have a cookie?
You may have a cookie. The hair doesn't clog in either one. Obviously, Leaf is great with that, but even the Supply is great. Tell me in the comments if you believe less water on your brush means better lather. Does that make sense? Like basically your brush should be barely damp, well, barely wet. And like all the water shook out, right? Does that make sense? Now we're going against. If you've been here before, you know what I'm going for. Oh, that's right. A little ice in the face. Oh. I know you guys are gonna hate me. I don't know if I can pick one, man. I don't know if I can pick one. You like Art Deco? Go with the Leaf. If you like modern and sleek, go with the, I don't know. Gosh, they're so good. Okay, I will say if this side I feel like it's closer. And I feel like I hit the Supply. And that is a win for the Supply. I feel like it does get closer. However, when I'm shaving, I like feeling I like knowing the blade's hitting my skin, right? And the leaf you can tell when the blade is hitting your skin. I thought at least have a clear winner. I thought it would be the Supply, I'll be honest. I like the Supply. I've been shaving with Supply for a long time. And I'm trying not to be biased because both razors are fantastic. Same price, very intuitive shave, not uncomfortable. Both do great. Both, the hair does not clog in either one. Even in the Supply, you saw I had a lot of hair on my face. Both great razors. Seriously, you're not gonna lose with either one. Supply is slightly closer. Okay? Take that away. Don't be too angry. All right, so my name is Timothy Sands. This is Fashionable Father. I present content to help men present their best selves. If that inspires you at all, subscribe if you're so inclined. Always remember, never forget, style first, And if you like this video, I think you'll like this video right here. Take a look at it. You'll enjoy it. It'll help you out. All right. See you in the flip side. Bam.